Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a 2-balloon panda. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so we're going to need 2 balloons. Okay, so I have the white and I have the black for the panda. Okay, so we're going to start with the white. Okay, and go ahead and inflate it. About a hand's tail. Okay. Now we're going to twist the black into it. So go ahead and inflate the black about halfway. Okay. Alright. So now we're going to make the body. We're going to make about a 5-finger bubble. Bring it back. Twist it on itself. Okay. And then we're going to make the head. And we're going to make about a 4-finger bubble. Okay. Twist it on itself. Okay. But now we're going to stop here with the white. And we're going to go into the black. Okay, we're going to make about a 2-finger bubble. Another 2-finger bubble. Right. Another 2-finger bubble. Okay. If you're having trouble holding those, make sure you're holding on to the first one. Okay. And then let your fingers do the rest. And then another 2-finger bubble. Okay. Ready? A little longer. Okay. Then we're going to twist it back up on itself. Okay. And we're going to take these 2 bottom ones right here and pull them up and over the white. So treat it kind of like a roll loop. Okay. So we're going to push these into the middle. I'm going to pull this up and over. Okay. Like so. And then I kind of like to pull out the white just a little bit. Alright. So now we have this. Alright. So now we're going to get rid of the black. So twist it around a little bit. We're going to break it off, but hold on to it. And then we're going to tie that, okay? Alright. Remember, if you need help doing that, I have it pinned at the top of my page, okay? And it'll stay there. Alright. So now, we're going to do a 1-inch bubble, another 1-inch bubble, turn the second one into a pinch twist. Okay. We're going to squeeze that. It's kind of soft, and wrap that around, back to the pinch twist. Twist it into the pinch twist loosely. Okay, don't pull it tight. So kind of loosely. Okay, twist it around that pinch twist. Okay, and we're done with the white now. And wrap it around. You can tie that if you want. I just wrap it around like so. Okay. And we want it facing this way. Like that. Alright. Now we're going to take our black. Okay. And we're going to make a small 2-finger flower petal. Pull that nozzle through. Lock it in. Okay. And then we're going to kind of squeeze it. Okay, we have a little slack right here, okay? And right there, we're going to make another 2-finger bubble. Sorry, 2-finger flower petal. Okay? And then, kind of hold on to it while we come over here and break this piece. Okay, so we're done with that piece. So let this go, but kind of hold on to it. Otherwise, it'll let all that air out. So now, we're going to tie those two ends together. And they're going to meet in the middle with the slap. Okay. Tie them together like so. And you have this. And see how it has a little piece in the middle? Alright. So now we're going to feed this flower petal into the head. Okay. You do the little roll through. Okay. So now you have one on each side. We're going to bring them up to the top. Just pull them up to the top. Okay. This one was a little bit. Alright. Then, I have like so. Let's hope. Okay. So, now, we're going to just do a triangle for the nose. Okay, and then underneath it, fill that nose in some more. Okay, like that. Little triangle nose. And then underneath it, we're going to do a little J. And then the little hook on the other side. Okay, and then up here, we're going to do the eyes. Okay, so their eyes are a little interesting. Okay, so from the side, right here, I'm going to show you how you do it. You're just going to go from the side up to the middle. Okay, a big old, kind of like so. Okay, and then from the other side, we're going to do it from the top down. Okay. Like so. Alright. Now, I don't give him eyebrows. I found it kind of looks funny when you give them eyebrows. Okay. So now, we're going to go with the white. They still have little eyes hidden in the black spots. So, we're going to use the white to bring out his eyes. And they go at the top of this shape. So kind of like that. Make sure it's nice and dry. Use one of these paint markers. Okay. No. Wrong marker. And then we're going to go in with our black. And we're going to just do a little dot. That's all it is, just a little dot. And now you have made a little panda. Alright, and the cute thing, it also goes on a stick. Like so. Alright, so I don't know why I have a marker on my anyways, so I hope you guys like this design. If you have any other designs I should make, leave them in the comments and I'll try to get to them. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.